welcome to Galway. Just after arriving in here to Galway, if you saw my earlier video about the train ride, that's fantastic. Just after arriving in, I'm after spotting straight away that there is like a Christmas market going on straight ahead. Now, I was at this a few years ago and it was pretty interesting, it was pretty good fun. I'm just going to head down there. Isn't this something else? What a way to arrive into a city. Straight off the train and you just come right up and you see this with all the lights and the Ferris wheel and everything. So what I'm going to do first, I guess I'll just go for a walk around this before I go find my apartment. Oh, well, not my apartment, sorry, my room for the night. So yeah, I guess this is the Galway Christmas Market. Lots of woolly warm stuff there.
Bracelet.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Mini donuts. Bubble waffles.
I want to try it. They had them.
Oh. We got like chimney cake stuff. Okay, there's some nice food going on here. Big crepe stand. Berlin kebab. What is this? Oh, it looks like there's something else going on up here. Let's have a quick look. Charcoal grill. What is this? Oh, it's a beer tent. Okay, it's a beer tent. That looks like good fun, but it also looks jam-packed. Like absolutely jammed. We got some chocolate drinks over here. Okay. Alright, that might be good. Check out some more of these stalls.
Yeah, I was up there. But you're trying to keep that clean.
This place is huge. More mini donuts. They must be popular.
John for Hanno.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, we got more hot dogs, burgers, chips. More drinks.
There's usually that is my thing about
Alright. Well, on the upshot, I'm feeling kind of hungry, so I definitely have somewhere to get some food here in a while. This is pretty good. This actually looks awesome. And everything cooking over a big grill in the middle. That looks awesome. That's really cool. Down here. All right. So there's a Santa's train. Right next to the toilets. So, public toilets right here. I think we're on Eyre Square at the moment. Pretty sure this is Eyre Square from the last time I was here, but last time I was here it didn't have all this stuff on it. Right, there's plenty of options for food. This is really cool. Like really, really freaking cool. Got more crafts. Baked goods. Pretty cool stuff.
I know, like European joke.
What is going on here? It's like a snow globe, but it's quickly deflating.
I get what you're not saying.
Charities out there. The lights are lovely. The lights are really, really nice. Really good job.
I'm walking on it. Why I'm walking on it.
Let's have a look at the menu here and see what they have on. Barbecue hot dog, steak burger. Oh, not bad. Hiya. Sorry, can I get a large barbecue hot dog, please? Yeah, I'm paying cash.
Yeah, sure. You can sell and it's up
Oh,
over there.
perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Holder. See if we can get some red sauce on this. When they say large, they really mean large, don't they? That's up. Bit of mustard. I wonder. Bit of mustard. You know what? I'm gonna go for some crispy onions. Small crispy onions. Oh yeah, that'll do. Okay, excellent. Let's go see if we can find somewhere to sit down and eat this. Preferably somewhere quiet. But the sleigh is not in use. Sleigh not in use, guys. So, right here, next to the big wheel, let's have a big bite of this. Yeah, that's hot, but it's good. Great snap out of it. It's a huge sausage. €10. It's a little bit steep for it though. Okay, so I got myself a non-alcoholic mulled wine, which turned out to be €7 freaking for a non-alcoholic mulled wine here in Galway Christmas Market. Now I've come over to a more calm and serene side of the market a little bit. Hard to imagine that with the noise of the merry-go-round next to me. But compared to the other part of the market, this is positively quiet. Well, I'm going to go have a quick look around here and see what's happening, because I think I've managed to end up outside at the back of the place. How did I get back here? Okay, I'm going to go have a look down here. There's a helter-skelter ride. In fairness, it's pretty good non-alcoholic mulled wine, but it's still non-alcoholic mulled wine. More market stalls over here, and games and stuff over this side. I love all these rigged games. People thinking they're going to win a giant seagull. Look at them. How are you getting on? There's a fair queue for the big wheel here. Obligatory boy races. Wouldn't be Ireland without them. I think I found a nice, relaxing little spot here. Okay, this I can do for a while. Have a little seat here, drink my mulled wine. Sounds like a plan. So, this is Galway, I guess. I haven't been here in so long. You know, this is nice. It's nice to get just a little bit of space away from the madness that is that Christmas market. It's nuts in there. Like It's 5 to 9 and I've already seen people drunk, people falling over. I've seen a girl get tended to by her two friends because she was just way too drunk. No, that's not the case for the most of it. I think that's just literally the beer tent and probably a little bit of it's Galway in general. The mulled wine, for example, no alcohol allowed in that. There's no alcohol allowed anywhere in the market outside of the beer tent. So that's interesting. This is nice, by the way. Not worth £7 though. Won't be making that mistake again. Steve Marsh should have me shot for that one. So yeah, basically I think that's going to be about it for this video on the market. Look, thanks for coming. This is just my first foray into Galway at the moment. Just off the train, came here, didn't even go to my B&B yet. So I think the next port of call will be to head off, drop my bags into B&B, and maybe come out for a pint or two. I don't know if I'll video that yet, but if I do, you guys will be there with me. If not, I'll see you tomorrow when I plan to take a walk down the Salt Hill Promenade. So that would be nice. So I'm here in my room in Avalon House B&B in Galway, and I think this might be the smallest room I've ever stayed in. This room was €89 for the night, and if you have a look around, you'll see it. So I'm doing this in 360. If you're seeing it on the flat video, I'm gonna just pan around the room and you'll see just how small this is. So here's the room tour. Over here, we have the television. Behind you, we have the small window. Over here, we've got some art. Ooh. And we've got some shelves up high. One shelf down here with one little glass. Some sockets, little battery powered reading light, and another little shelf here. Oh yeah, and we've got all the house electrics right up here. So forgive the lighting, I can't do anything about that. It's just a ridiculously bright bulb in a tiny little room. But yeah, that's about it. You also have some hangers so you can hang your stuff up. What do you think, guys? Was this worth €89 for one night? Also, it's a shared bathroom. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Give a like, subscribe to the channel. Every little helps. I'm slowly growing my subscriber base, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. It's amazing every time somebody subscribes. I just get this little rush. Thanks very much.